So what is inside this product? Coarse product before use, split cell phone cover carefully with razor blade. So what I did is carefully cutting, I removed the plastic itself. So remove the plastic itself. So instead of cutting, remove the plastic. So this is thermocol bed. And what's the inside? Let's see. So this is a material like a cotton sheet, but not a cotton. It's like a thick cotton maybe. And it's not getting focused. Okay, here we go. So this is cotton, soft cotton bed. So this is the bed, and then we put this guy here inside this. This cost you for, okay, so this will cost you for $60. Okay, and this cost you for $60. And this I bought one ink bottle. I want for green ink, so I will be using this one. Okay, so I will start pouring the ink on top of this, but before that I will need to hold this using the pin poking inside. I have to poke it properly. See what happened. So give me a pause, I will do it, or I can do it right here away. Let's try. I cannot hold it because I'm holding the camera. Sorry for the disturbance in the camera shaking or whatever you want to do it. Okay, give me a pause. So I have holding this one. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Come out. It's not coming out. So that means no proper hold yet. Let me try again. The pin is inside now. Some ink just came out, but still this guy is not coming. Okay, give me a pause. I'll try the other way. Here you go. The ink started dropping. The hole is right now. So I'm going to just tap it like this. You can do whatever the way you like, but the purpose is to gently squeeze and drop the ink in the pad. Sorry for that, here might be hearing a lot of background noise, so kindly ignore that and let's focus on this. So we can shake this also. Oh, not shake much. It's flowing out. See this nice pattern, right? So we will squeeze it like this. So let it drop. So my green bed is getting ready for stamping, not for sleeping. You might be thinking something. not to worry. So this is, I think, getting nice colored green. Shopkeeper said you can pour half bottle or full water as you think or as you like. So we'll see if it's coming properly in the less ink drops. We don't need to undo the full bottle in this. Undo, I use the word undo. Undo is to undo the filled version in this bottle. Undo on the pad. That's what I mean. Thank you. Liking this video, subscribing this channel, and if you like this kind of more videos or something interests you, let me know in the comments. Then we need to try this out. Okay, I'm going to use something I've created. Okay, so I might have to blur the output due to the matter in the stamping. So let me try on the paper. I tried with some different ink on the paper earlier, but let's see. I think it's going to work well. Okay, so this is going to work well. So I will put more inks in this one, so it will give me the nice output, just for your FI. So yeah, just keep doing this, and that's it. You have made your own ink stamping pad with the green color. Thanks for watching. Enjoy padding, stamping. See you later.